Today I'm making a cilantro lime shrimp skewer. I'm going to demonstrate a couple of these skewers. I really like this recipe because it's very simple to make. You're going to use a half a cup of fresh cilantro, a half a pound of raw shrimp, a half of a jalapeno, as well as a half a cup of olive oil and 2 cloves of garlic, 1 medium lime, and of course skewers. I'm going to take my cilantro and give it a rough chop. It's not too fine, but I do want to make it a little bit smaller. I like pieces of the cilantro in the marinade. I'm also taking that half a jalapeno, removing the seeds, and I'm chopping it very finely. I want it to be really small. I'm going to go ahead and chop up the 2 cloves of garlic. You can add more if you like, but 2 cloves are good. And then I'm going to put all those ingredients in a bag with my half a cup of olive oil. And I'm going to then add my raw shrimp to it. Now what I'm not adding is the lime juice, because the lime juice will cook the shrimp. So I'm gonna just marinate these ingredients. I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. In this case, you wanna take them out at the 30-minute mark because it doesn't necessarily enhance the flavor to keep them in longer. Next, we're gonna skewer the shrimp. And, I was just making a couple of them for lunch. And so these 2 are here. I then add my Morton seasoned salt to taste. And I'm also squeezing my lime over the shrimp once I have it skewered. Again, to do it early would cook the shrimp, and that wasn't quite what I wanted to do. You're going to put this in the oven for about 15 minutes and it's ready to serve. And so if you're making this recipe for more, this recipe would probably really do about 6 skewers. I just had a half a pound of shrimp around, so I thought I would make this cilantro lime shrimp. I hope you enjoy.